Hello student, today we are going to learn our next experiment of signal and systems. The experiment is about to write a MATLAB program to verify the given system is it time variant or time invariant. So this is experiment number 8 in which we are going to learn about whether system is time variant or system is time invariant. So how we measure, how we going to judge a system which is time invariant or variant? Suppose we have a sequence, and when we display sequence with operation, after the operation, if the result of sequence is same if it was in previous, so the system is time invariant. Time invariant means which is not changes, which is not change its mode by the time. And if system changes, if there is any response out of input, then system is time invariant, time variant. So here is our MATLAB code for this system. Here X is input, H is also input, these two input, and D is delay. We apply a delay which is in form of time. Delay means a kind of change in time, and this delay applied to the X input known as XDN, and when it is implied on Y, it is called YDN, where Yn is convolution of delayed of X sequence and H, and YDN is zeros implement on 1 and delay D. So the system is output is in form of stem, labeling as according to our amplitude and say your signals N. Then title, delay sequence, then subplot 211, subplot 212. There are two plot. And Y labeling again. If Yn is equal to Ydn, it means Yn is not changes with the delay, then system is time invariant. And if it is not like that, then system is time variant. So this is the result where you can see the delayed output, and this is the main signal Xn, and this is the delayed output. So you can say our system is time invariant because it is not changes with time. Okay. Now over to the MATLAB. In our MATLAB, we already write the code. As you can see here, the code is same as it was previous, and we will implement the program by Control A, then Control C, and after then I will Control V, paste the program, and automatically the result will pop up. It is asking the sequence. So my sequence is here. First sequence is this is my first sequence, and another sequence is and after this it will ask me delay. So my delay is 5. My delay is 5, D is equal to 5. Now the operation is going on, and this is my result. these two are my result, figure 1 and figure 2. Here you can see when xn we applied delay. So at some point it is delayed, the result is not same, and these points occur here by delay of 5. So this system is my time variant, whereas this system is of my time invariant. So student, so today we learn about the time invariant and time variant system. Okay student, so we will meet in our next experiment. Till then, bye, take care of you, thank you.